Hey there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Well, she's home, so we're going to start the process of really having a look, see what needs to be done, give everything a wash, inside, outside, clean everything up, find out what needs to be done, looking under the bonnet, and yeah, start on the process. Okay, we're looking for an oil leak here. This has had oil sort of up and all over the place, and we're wanting to get rid of them. The main oil leak places on these, this is a 4-cylinder, it's a 2005, so 2005 through to the turbo engines. The main oil leak spots on these, there's the gaskets around, this is the oil filter, the gaskets around the oil filter, you can buy a kit for that. The head gasket, not the head gasket, sorry, the tapper cover gasket up here, this looks pretty new to me. I'm thinking that's been replaced, and I'm not seeing it leaking here. There was a lot of oil down here on these two guys. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to hit it, the whole thing with degreaser, clean it all down, get all of it down, and then run it around for a bit, start it and run it in order to see where it's leaking from. So that's step one, is to get it all cleaned off, and then we'll be able to see where she's leaking from. So we're getting some love into the black one to get it ready. It is coming up really well. There's a very good paint on this. The way to check a polish, you use this bit of skin between your knuckles, just rub it in there, and that just feels full and flat and wonderful. You can see the reflection, it's just unreal. And we've done a panel down here, so we're just going to work our way around doing the panels. And in comparison, like some of the dirt, this needs the clay bar to rub it out, but it's just gritty and hard and horrible in here. So the polish, and it's coming up and really, really looking the part. Okay, so one of the jobs needed to get the second black one roadworthy is we need to switch out the radiator. We've got a new radiator, so we're starting the process. Have a look at the link of the video up here. I've done a run series radiator before, one of my early videos, so go there if you're actually wanting to do the work. Have a look at that link. We're going to take the bottom tray off, which is just a matter of ripping off all the bolts down below to get us access to the radiator. JM's got the bottom pat off, and she's had it oil leak for a long time, this car. You can see the bits of belt all over the place down here, and yeah, have a look at that built up oil there. She's a bit of a mess, but a bit of degreaser, she'll come up beautiful.